Problem number 3 and number 4 for this review for AP Calculus, we have simplified the complex fraction. This is a problem right here. Simplify the complex fraction. 3 and 4 are very similar. So we're going to, I just copy the problem here in this little whiteboard. So this is a complex fraction. A complex fraction is a fraction, right? Where the numerator and denominator contain another fraction. So the idea is simplify, which means write this as a simplest fraction. Just no more fractions, numerator and denominator. So what we're going to try to do here is identify what the main line is. This is the main line. The equal sign this is what the equal sign is located at, right there, the main line. So you have like two fractions here. One is this one, and one is this one, and the other one is this one. So we're going to try to simplify like these two fractions as these two operations as two separate problems. So starting with the top one, we need to add these two fractions. In order to add it, we need to have the same denominator. So ignore this fraction in the bottom and just concentrate in the top one. So what we have here then is, by ignoring this one, so we have here numerator for that one will be 1. So I'm going to use this very light marker. So you imagine you have a 1 here. So in order to have the same denominator, we need to multiply this one by x and this one by x in order to have x here. So I have 2x over 1 plus 4 over x. And this is the main line. And I'll continue with the bottom one right now. So this one by x and by x. So in the bottom part, we continue with the same idea. We have different denominators. So I need to, in order to have the same denominator, I need to multiply this one by 2 to get 6 here, because I needed 6 here. And this one by x squared, in order to have 6x squared in both parts. So I'm going to have 3x squared plus 1 over 6. Like I said, I'm multiplying this one by 2 to get 6, this one, and this one by x squared. Of course, in both parts by the same thing. Now this is going to be, the top one is 2x squared over x plus 4 over x over, the bottom one will be 2 over 6x squared plus x squared over 6x squared. The top one, now if you have the same denominator, you put x right here, and on top you have 2x squared plus 4. This one you have the same denominator, which is 6x squared. Top one you write 2 plus x squared. Right? So from here, I am going to multiply the top and the bottom. See? So we'll multiply this one times this one and put it in the top part. And this one times this one and put it in the bottom part. So what do we have? 2x squared plus 4 times 6x squared over x times 2 plus x squared. So now we need to simplify this fraction. See, now it looks like a fraction, no more fractions, but we still need to simplify. So we have now, continue from here, this one you can factor out the 2 as x squared plus 2. Yes, 2 times x squared is 2 times x squared is 2x squared. 2 times 2 is 4. And this one, I'm going to leave it as it is, 6x squared. Over, this one is x times 2 plus x squared, or x squared plus 2. I'm going to write x squared plus 2 so you guys can see it's exactly the same that we have on top. Now let's simplify this stuff. This x squared plus 2 cancels with this one. This x we can write it as x times x. So you guys can see very clear why we're going to eliminate one of the x's. So this x is going to cancel this one. So you end up with 2 times 6x or 12x. The bottom we have just 1. So the answer is 12x.